So ಇವತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ I'll take an example. It is called mathematical operations. Okay, so the question pattern ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು I'll just one simple example I'll take and I'll explain you. So question pattern will be like, if P means plus, D means division symbol, M means into, and S means subtraction, minus. So if this means this, then what will be the value of the expression for 4P 8D 2M 6S 1. That's it. ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಪಿ ಮೀನ್? ಪಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್, ಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಈಚ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್, basic 4 operations. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Correct? So each mathematical operation ge what alphabet is given in the question, first adu check madi. In place of that alphabet, just put the mathematical symbol and you should find the answer. Okay, simple. That is only the basic question pattern. So now illi first number 4 write as it is. Now tell me, in place of P, which mathematical operation ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in place of P?
Plus sign.
Yes, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is given P means plus, ಅಂದ್ರೆ P place ಅಲ್ಲಿ plus I should write. So 4 plus 8. Next, what is D?
Division.
Division. So division symbol, correct. Next, then write 2. What is M?
Into. Multiplication.
Yes, multiplication. Into 6. What is S?
Minus.
Minus 1. So idu what is this answer? Idu find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now tell me, ಈ ತರ different operations ಇದ್ರೆ what rule should we follow? Other rule ಗೆ there is one name. What is that name? Do you remember? ಇವಾಗ one expression ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is division, multiplication, addition, subtraction ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ in what order should you do it? Do you know this called BODMAS rule? BODMAS rule, did you hear it? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
BODMAS rule andre enu? What is B stands for? B is for brackets. Okay, ivaga expression alli if there are any brackets andre inside bracket enadru expression idre, first you should solve that expression if there is something in brackets. In this expression, brackets, is any bracket there?
No, ma'am.
No, there is no bracket, so we don't need it. Next, brackets first, and then what is D?
Division.
D is division, correct. What is M?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. What is A?
Addition.
Addition. And finally, what is S?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So E order follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So now tell me, E expression ಅಲ್ಲಿ first what should I do? See, there
Division.
are brackets. here. Yes, division. Brackets ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. So next ಏನು what should we find out? First ಏನು first division, second multiplication, third addition, fourth is subtraction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ first division ಏನಿದೆ, division first ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I'll use a different color. ಇದು first ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay? So now we'll write down the answer. Write down 4 plus as it is. First ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. So next expression, write it down as it is. Step by step ಮಾಡಿ, it's fine. Until you are good, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ speed, until you pick up the speed to do it, slow ಆಗಿ step by step solve ಮಾಡಿ so that you won't get a wrong answer. Okay, now division is done. After division, next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Multiplication.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ into. So I should do this one now. Next step is to do this. Okay, we will do it. 4 plus, what is 4 into 6? 24 minus 1. Now multiplication also aitu. Next step, what is the next step?
Addition.
Andre this I should. Yeah, so tell me what is 4 plus 24? 28 remaining minus 1. So what is 28 minus 1?
27.
27. So this is the answer. So E expression ge what is the answer? 27 is the answer. Simple. Artha aita, this is the question pattern. This is what we call mathematical operations. Okay, so illi expression alli direct mathematical is signs iralla. Symbols won't be given. Ee tara alphabets irutte, and in the question each alphabet what operation it is, adu that will be given. You should take it from the question and find out the answer. So illi what is very important is this one. Okay, I want every one of you to remember this. This is very important. BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS rule andre enu, first if there is a bracket given, you must do that only first. Okay, now wait, I will slightly modify the question. Let us 1 minute. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 1 minute, I will
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Okay. Now ಈ expression solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You tell me what should I do first?
Division.
Are you sure? ಇಲ್ಲಿ rule check ಮಾಡಿ. What is the rule name? First tell me what is the rule name here? The rule name is BODMAS. BODMAS ಅಲ್ಲಿ first letter ಏನು?
B.
What does
Bracket.
bracket? Now tell me ಈ expression ಅಲ್ಲಿ what should I do first?
Bracket.
Exactly. Okay, that's why you should be very careful. Ivaga same question exam alli if you get it. If you don't know this rule, ivaga if you don't remember this rule, you will start doing division first. Okay, so that's why first always do bracket. Bracket, if there is bracket in the question, always solve bracket first. Bracket, whatever is there, solve that, write the answer, then go to division. Okay, so now what will it be? It will be 4 plus 8 divided by 2 into 6 minus, what is the bracket answer?
5.
Ivaga in this expression what should I do now?
Division.
Correct. So 4 plus idu first ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is 8 divided by 2?
4.
8 divided by 2, 4 into 6 minus 5. Now each step alli what should I do now? First
Multiplication.
yes, multiplication. So what is 4 into 6?
24.
Yes, 24 minus 5. Yes, illi now here what should I do? Addition. So what is 24 plus 4? 28 minus 5. What is the final answer? 23. Okay, artha aita? So if you have bracket first you should do bracket. Okay, so bracket idre this order will change. What will the order be? First bracket, second division, third multiplication, fourth addition, fifth is subtraction. Okay, this is very important, you should remember this. Okay, so we'll solve more questions in this. Idu artha aita? Any doubts? Anyone in this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we will solve this question. So here, first question. P means division. T means addition plus. M means subtraction. D means multiplication. Okay, then what is the value of expression 12m, 12d, 28p, 7m, 5. This is the given expression. Okay, so now first step ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, in place of alphabets you should write down the mathematical operations. So tell me the operation first one by one. First number 12 write as it is. M andre which operation should I do?
Division.
Check ಮಾಡಿ. M, letter M ಗೆ what is the operation? Minus. Minus 12 write as it is. Next, D andre which operation? Into 28 write as it is. Next, P andre which operation?
Divided.
Yes, division, divided by 7. Finally, M andre minus, again minus 5. Okay, this is the given expression. Now tell me first what should I do? E expression alli what should I do first? First operation?
Bracket.
Okay, but bracket, is bracket given? Illi e expression alli bracket idya?
No, ma'am.
No. So next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Bracket ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the next step? Division. So I should do this first. So we'll write that out. 12 minus 12 into, tell me what is 28 divided by 7?
4.
4, yes, minus 5. E step alli what should I do next?
Multiplication.
Okay, 12 minus, what is 12 into 4?
48.
48 minus 5. So now we do this one is direct. 1 minute, I think. 1 minute, something is okay, sorry, e number idu 15, it is not 5, this is 15. 1 minute, idu 15 and this is not M, sorry, the M matte repeat aitalva, this is not M, this is T. T andre what symbol? Idu T
Plus.
T andre plus, so illi plus, this is 15 and this is plus. Okay, so now illi ee step alli what should I do? First add, addition ellidiyo, first add the numbers, so add these two first, then do subtraction. So first tell me what is the addition value? 12 plus 15?
27.
Minus 48. So what is 27 minus 48?
21.
Is it, are you sure it is 21? Check madi. Will you get a positive number or negative number?
Minus 21.
Yes, plus minus is also very important, okay, because nimge illi options alli, illi nanu ivaga I didn't give you options, okay, but actually questions alli nimge A B C D options irutte, okay, and here in the options, option C is 21, option D is minus 21. Which is the correct option?
Minus 21.
Minus 21. That's why idu subtraction alli you should be careful. Okay, now if you mark 21 option C, that is a wrong answer. C 21 is wrong. Okay, so subtraction alli be very careful. Ivaga 27 is a greater number or 48 is big? Which is greater in 27 and 48?
48.
48 is greater. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ small number minus bigger number ಅಂದ್ರೆ obviously ನಮಗೆ negative number ಬರುತ್ತೆ, correct? So if you are confused in subtraction, positive negative ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first check the numbers. Okay, first number ಏನು check ಮಾಡಿ, second number check ಮಾಡಿ. If first number is less than the second number, definitely your answer will be negative. Okay, now what is 4 minus 7?
-3.
Yes. So why? Because 4 is less than 7. Okay, so that's why you will get minus. So be very careful with signs. Okay, because nimge exam alli most of the time in options both will be given, positive and negative will be given. Okay, so be careful with that. Okay, next question. Okay, this is a little different. If plus means division, division means minus, minus means into means plus, then find what is the value of 12 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 into 8. This is the given question. So first of all, don't get confused here. Very simple. Before question alli nimge alphabets they gave for whatever mathematical operations are there. So and so alphabet is so and so operation. Illi symbols are only given directly. Okay, andre enu plus means division andre given idu question. Okay, this is the given question. In this given question, first one by one statement check ಮಾಡಿ. First statement ಏನು? Plus means division. ಅಂದ್ರೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ wherever there is plus place ಅಲ್ಲಿ you should write division. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ what I'm trying to say? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ಇದು given question. ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. You should not do it. Directly 12 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 into 8 solve ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. First change the signs, follow the statements, change the signs. First statement ಏನು? Plus means division symbol. Plus symbol place ಅಲ್ಲಿ write down division. Next statement ಏನು? Division means minus. ಅಂದ್ರೆ division place ಅಲ್ಲಿ you should put minus. So in place of division I should put minus. Now tell me subtraction place ಅಲ್ಲಿ what should I put? Into place ಅಲ್ಲಿ what should I put? Plus. Very good. Why? Because illi question alli it is given. This is given here. This is given here. Okay. So yes. So now we will write down the expression 12 divided by 6 minus 3 into 2 plus 8. Okay. Now tell me first what should I do? First step enu? Division. Yes, so tell me what is the division answer? 12 divided by 6?
72.
12 divided by 6 is 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 8. Okay, next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Multiplication.
1 minute. Yes, next step is to do multiplication. Andre I should do this. Okay. Yes, 2 minus what is 3 into 2? 6.
Minus 6.
Yes. 3 into 2 is 6. So minus 6 plus 8. So now what should I do? First do addition of numbers. What is 2 plus 8?
10.
10 minus 6?
4.
So 4 is your final answer. Okay, Artha aita? So this answer is 4. Okay, any doubts? So don't get confused here. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 8. ಇದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು ಡಿವಿಷನ್. 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಇಸ್ 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. 2 ಇಂಟು 8 ಇಸ್ 16. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 12 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 16. What is 12 plus 2?
14.
14 minus 16. What is 14 minus 16?
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yes. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ -2, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ 2, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ 4, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ 8. Now tell me which is the correct option?
Option A.
No. See, that's what yes, option C 4 is correct. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, this is the given question, okay? 12 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 into 8 is the question, okay? Given question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ -2. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಡೂ? ಫೈಂಡ್, ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ and change the signs. Signs change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ -2. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. Signs change after changing signs. I'm finding out the expression value. This answer is your final correct answer. Artha aita? Did you all understand this point?
Yes,
ma'am.
Everyone, are you sure? Did you understand?
Yes.
Don't get confused because ಈ question direct ಆಗಿ solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, see this one and this one, it's the same thing. ಇದು this and this is same thing. Same thing if I solve, I got -2. After changing the signs according to given statements, I got this answer. Now tell me which is the correct option?
Option C.
Oh yes, option C 4 is correct. But nimge options alli even -2 is given. It is given so that nimne ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ confuse ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ both options will be given, okay? But you should solve it only after changing the signs. Symbols change after, you know, only after changing ನೀವು expression solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so please, even in exam ಈ ತರ expression okay, so please exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ don't get confused. ಈ ತರ expression ಇದ್ರೆ you must change the signs. Okay, so yeah. Okay, there are more questions, but we will continue it tomorrow. Okay, for today it's fine. Just I wanted to give an introduction to this topic. Next class only we will solve more problems, more different problems, because this is very important. Okay, even this type of questions, because ನೀವು passage very clearly you should see the passage and then change the expression. Given expression na we should change it according to the passage. So it is very important. Passage clear agi you should read. You should not make any mistake. So that's it for today. Any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am.